Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good. Students, these days we are studying about communicable diseases. Okay, what are communicable diseases? Disease that spread from one person to another. Okay, from place to place. So students, what are the several ways these diseases can be transmitted? There are many ways. This infectious disease means communicable disease. Okay students, this infectious disease can spread in variety of ways. Through the air, direct and indirect contact with another person. Okay, then spoiled food, feces, urine, saliva and blood secretions. Then contaminated food and water. Through these ways, these infectious diseases or communicable disease can spread from one person to another. Okay students, now today let us learn about insect spread diseases. Insect spread diseases. See students, we already know houseflies feed on dirt. Houseflies sit on unclean places. They carry germs. Okay, they causes cholera and typhoid. Okay students, these houseflies causes cholera and typhoid. Cholera means we already learned its symptoms. Now watery stools and vomiting. Typhoid, it is a type of fever. Okay, cause of houseflies. In previous class we already learned that don't eat anything from roadside stalls because if they are uncovered food. Okay, because these houseflies feed on dirt, then they sit in unclean places, they carry germs, they settle on food, but it's not covered. It is not covered. Okay students, if we eat this food, these germs can enter in our body. It can cause diseases. Okay students, so houseflies are the causes of cholera and typhoid. Okay students, then see mosquitoes. Students, which insects spread the most of the diseases? Do you know? The most common insects that pass on diseases are mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are common. Several types of mosquitoes are there. Okay, means they are harmful also. They spread the diseases. See, Aedes mosquito spread dengue. Okay. Aedes mosquito causes dengue. Do you know about dengue fever? It is a fearful disease. It is very dangerous. Okay students. So this dengue can cause death if a person does not get proper treatment in time. It may cause death because it is very dangerous. So what to do? Keep the mosquitoes away. Protect our body, ourselves from mosquitoes. Okay students, then see this Anopheles mosquito spread malaria. How? Students, the Anopheles mosquito carries protozoa. Carries the protozoa. Protozoa means it is a harmful microorganism, germ, kind of germ. Understand students? It causes malaria. Okay, this Anopheles mosquitoes carry protozoa. Okay students, it is the cause of malaria. Malaria ऐसा होता है. Understand students? It is also dangerous disease. Then mosquitoes are spread the dangerous disease chikungunya. It is also dangerous. So these mosquitoes, these type of insects are very dangerous. Understand students? So what are the preventions? What should we do against these diseases to protect ourselves? And as students, sometimes in our home we throw some type of old tires. पापा का जो गाड़ी का टायर यूजलेस हो गया तो ऐसे फेंक के जाता है. Understand students? Then cover tops, plastic cover tops फेंकते रहता है. Then some type of old buckets जो टूटा हुआ broken bucket items and other containers also we throw it out. But these mosquitoes need a tiny amount of water to breed in. Understand students? इसको थोड़ा सा पानी चाहिए, वो they lay their eggs in that water. Understand students? So what should we do? We drain it out. इसको जाने देना water को. Laying water is not good. Flowing water is good, but laying water it can spread diseases. So drain it out, otherwise dump it out. Okay students? Then now let us learn how can malaria, dengue and chikungunya be controlled. Students, which insects spread these diseases? Mosquitoes spread these diseases. Okay, malaria, which insect? Anopheles mosquito carries this protozoa, cause of malaria. Then Aedes mosquito causes dengue. Okay, mosquito causes chikungunya. Understand students? So how can be controlled? Means how to prevent mosquito breeding in water. Okay students, how do we keep mosquitoes from biting in our body? हमें कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है ये हमारा शरीर में आके काटना नहीं. Understand students? Let us learn about that. So first, how to prevent mosquitoes breeding in water area. Understand students? Means in water, it's tiny amount of water. Now I told you in the top of plastic items, in the cover top of plastic containers, otherwise small type of containers, it can breed tiny amount of water. See students, do not allow water to collect around home. See when it rains, sometimes small type of gutters, rain gutters. Okay students, collect water there. So you drain it out. ये जाने देना. Understand students? Do not allow water collect in your surroundings. Means around your playground, around your homes, around offices, around school, anywhere. Understand students? Do not allow water to collect anywhere. Understand students? Because these mosquitoes, they lay eggs in water. It can increase and multiply. So we should prevent that. Understand students? Then introduce fish in ponds. Okay? Because they feed on larvae and do not mosquitoes multiply. Introduce fish. Fish, you can put some fishes in the ponds. उधर एक fish pond है तो it is not flowing water ना. Okay, laying water only. So you can introduce some fish. You can put some fishes. Okay. Why? These fishes feed on larvae. So these fishes do not allow them to multiply. ये ज़्यादा बढ़ने के लिए नहीं देता है, वो खा जाता है उसका larvae. Understand students? Then see, if mosquitoes are in your surroundings, use mosquito net to sleep in. अगर आपका आसपास में ज़्यादा मॉस्किटो है तो आपको जब सोने जाएगा, you can use the mosquito net to sleep in. Understand students? Then use mosquito repellent creams. There are some creams. We can apply that cream on in our body. Okay? Then mosquito cannot bite in our body. Okay? Then take preventive medicines. See, if malaria is common, otherwise see, dengue is common. अगर मलेरिया, डेंगू, चिकनगुनिया कोई ऐसे डिसीज स्प्रेड हो रहे तो नाउ सी कोरोना वायरस इज स्प्रेड्स, सो वी यूज मास्क. ओके, wash our hands at regular intervals. Understand students? So take preventive medicines. Go to doctor, go to hospital and consult a doctor and take preventive medicines. Okay students? Then let us learn about non-communicable diseases. Okay, see, diseases which do not spread from sick person to another. Diseases which do not spread. Communicable disease means diseases that spread from one person to another. But non-communicable disease means do not spread from sick person to, ये spread नहीं होता है. Which type of diseases? Diabetes, cancer, heart diseases. Okay students, what are the causes of non-communicable diseases? Harmful use of tobacco, smoking करते रहता है, It can affect our lungs. It can cause us lungs cancer, mouth cancer. Understand? It is too dangerous. So we can avoid that. You can advise your parents, otherwise your neighbors. Okay, students. Then factors for occurrence of non-communicable diseases means what are the causes? Okay, ये हमें इसका factors क्या क्या है? See, smoking. Okay, I told you. Then abuse use means alcohol abuse, harmful use of alcohol. You can advise others. Okay, don't use daru nahi peena. Okay, then unhealthy food diet, poor food diet, time पर खाना नहीं खाता है. Okay, you will not get energy, you will not get any nutrients in your body. Then immunity का power कम हो जाएगा. Lack of immunity power, you get diseases. Understand, students? So take your food on time. Okay, then physical inactivity. ऐसा बैठे रहेंगे. No, you should do some exercise. Woke up early in the morning and do some exercise. Okay, then overweight, ज़्यादा नहीं खाना. So it causes obesity. Okay, students. Now see, insects spread diseases, cholera and typhoid. Which insects? Housefly feeds on dirt. Then Aedes mosquitoes. Okay, dengue का कारण हो जाएगा. Then Anopheles mosquitoes carries protozoa. It causes malaria. Okay, students. Then the mosquito can spread the dangerous disease chikungunya. Okay, students. Then how can malaria, dengue and chikungunya be controlled? Okay, how to prevent mosquito breeding in water? Okay, then how do we keep mosquitoes from biting in our body? How can we prevent the growth of mosquitoes? Understand, students? See, do not allow water to collect around your homes, surroundings, anywhere, playground. Okay, then introduce fish in ponds, because these fishes feed the eggs of the mosquitoes, larvae. Okay, students. Then use mosquito. If mosquitoes are your surroundings, you can use the mosquito net. Then you can apply the mosquito repellent cream. मच्छर नहीं कटेगा. Okay, then take preventive medicine. Go to doctor. If any mosquito diseases are in your surroundings, go to doctor and consult with the doctor. Then take preventive medicine. Doctor will prescribe medicines. Okay. Then what are non-communicable disease? See, which do not spread. जो spread नहीं होता है. Understand, students? Diabetes spread नहीं होता है because of our bad habits. Because means high use of sugar, diabetes, cancer, to use of this tobacco, harmful use of tobacco. Understand, students? Then harmful use of alcohol, दारू पीते हैं. Then heart disease. ये fat बढ़ जाएगा तो because of fat जो बढ़ेगा. Understand, students? Then factors for occurrence of non-communicable diseases: smoking because of tobacco use. Then blood pressure. Okay, it can raise blood pressure. Then means raise because of food diet. Okay, overweight, obesity, cholesterol. The amount of cholesterol will rise. Blood pressure, sugar, level of sugar. Okay, it will rise. Okay, so we can reduce it to keep our lifestyle. To try to keep our lifestyle. Okay, it is helpful for us. So students, you can read the chapter. Okay, good. Communicable disease.